Right, so you go to insert and then you go to equations and then you click on equations, right? And then we go to the E, so it's 3 open bracket x. What is inside of the bracket? X, and say I put in a little space and a -6. You know, put a little space to help me differentiate between the two terms. And you see, a +2. See all that you can do. I cannot put an and there because that's a multiply, so that 2 is stick, that +2 is stick to the bracket. 4x are stuck to each other. But look, I'm seeing a minus there, so I can do and a -5. See? Separating the terms. So now, what is happening there now is a 3 times x, 3x. 3 times -6, think about it. No, we can write -18 because we multiplied first. So just as we see a negative sign, just write, okay, we write 3x, bam, and we see a negative sign, we write negative, and then we multiply. That happens a lot, you know. Imagine there's a -3, let's say there's a -3. So -3 by x is -3x, okay? I multiply -3 by x, I get -3x. And because I put a negative sign, I put a negative, bam. And I say 3/6 is 18. That happens a lot, you know. That is wrong. Okay, I cannot put negative sign yet unless I multiply yet. I have to say -3 times -6, and then I get a +18. Okay, but this is a +3, so that, you know, that rush will not cause a mistake. But if there's a negative sign, that happens a lot. So multiply before you put the answer. 3 times -6 are -18. +2 times 4 is a +2, is a +8x. And a +2 times a -5 is a -10. Okay, can we simplify? Yes, because 3x and 8x are like each other. Okay, so that's a 3x and a -18, 8x and a -10. 3x and 8x, because the x and the power is 1, base and exponent identical, even though the coefficient is different, 3 and 8, the terms are like 11x. The numbers obviously are like each other. You have a -18 and a -10. A -18 and a -10 is a -28. A negative and a negative is a negative. So it's 11x, subtract 28.